Hello guys, welcome to my session. So this is already in standard form. This is a linear differential equation. This is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, now I get p is equal to 2 upon x and q is equal to x square. Integrating factor is equal to e per integration of p dx is equal to e per integration of p is 2 by x dx. Okay, so this is e to the power of 2 times integration of 1 by x is log x. 2 log x can be written as log x square. E per log x square is x square. So solution is y into if, okay, is equal to integral q into if and then dx plus c. I can write this as y into integrating factor, okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q is equal to x square, okay, if is also x square dx plus c. So you get y into x square is integration of x power 4, right? Integration of x power 4 is x power 5 divided by 5, okay, and then plus c. If I divide by x cube, if I divide by x square throughout, okay, so let me do it here. If I divide by x square, you will get y is equal to x cube divided by 5, okay, x cube divided by 5 plus c into x to the power of minus 2. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Okay, now I can write y square into dx is equal to minus of, okay, x minus 1 upon y into dy. So this is dx by dy is equal to minus x by y square, okay, and then this is minus 1 by y cube. So this is dx by dy is equal to minus x by y square, minus and minus is plus, this is 1 by y cube. If I shift on the left side, you will get this as dx by dy, okay, and then plus x by y cube. X by y cube is equal to 1 by y cube, x by y square, okay, this is x by y square, x by y square is equal to 1 by y cube. Now this is of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q. P and q are functions of y. So p equal to 1 upon y square and q is equal to 1 by y cube. Okay, now if is equal to integrating factors e per integration of p dy, e per integral if is equal to e per integral p dy, okay, e per integration of p into dy is equal to e to the power of integration of 1 by y square, okay, integration of 1 by y square is minus 1 by y. Now the solution is x into if, okay, is equal to integral q into if, and then this is dy plus c. X into if is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by y, okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q will be equal to 1 by y cube. If is equal to e power minus 1 by y, and then this is dy plus c. So you get x into e power minus 1 by y is equal to integration of, this is 1 by y, e power minus 1 by y, this is 1 by y square, okay, and then dy plus c. What I'll do is I'm going to put minus 1 by y is equal to t. So this is 1 by y square dy, 1 by y square dy is equal to dt. Okay, so this is equal to x into e power minus 1 by y is equal to integration of, from this 1 by y will be equal to minus t. So this is minus t e to the power of t, and 1 by y square dy will be equal to dt and plus c. Okay, let us use by parts. X into e to the power of minus 1 by y is equal to minus outside. Okay, let us use by parts. First integration of second minus integral of second. So you get e power t only plus c. So x into e power minus 1 by y is equal to minus e to the power of t value is minus 1 by y. Again t is minus 1 by y, minus 1 and plus c. Okay, so I'm going to take minus common. So this is plus c. I'm going to multiply inside minus x into e power minus 1 by y, okay, is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by y. This is 1 upon y plus 1, okay, and then plus c, call equation 1. Now it is given in the question that y of 1 equal to 1. That is when x is equal to 1, okay, y is equal to 1. You get e to the power of minus 1 is equal to e power minus 1, okay, and then 2 plus c. You get 1 by e minus 2 by e is equal to c. So c is equal to minus 1 by e. If I substitute the value of c in equation 1, okay, so you get x into e to the power of minus 1 by y is equal to e to the power of minus 1 by y, okay, 1 by y plus 1. C value will be equal to minus 1 by y, minus 1 by e. I'm going to divide by, okay, e to the power of minus 1 by y. So this becomes x is equal to 1 by y plus 1, okay, minus 1 divided by e into e to the power of minus 1 by y. Okay, now, so this is equal to, x is equal to 1 upon y plus 1, okay, plus 1, right, this is plus 1, okay, so this is plus 1. If we shift to numerator, e to the power of 1 by y, okay, divided by e. That's the answer, guys. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. Yeah, that's right, answer is option C. Okay, this 2018 question, guys. Online paper, 15th April, very good question. Okay, so follow carefully. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, now, so if you check the website, different people will do in a different way, guys. If you look at the solution, so I will tell you the best possible solution. You compare p is equal to 2, okay, and q is equal to fx. Now integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p dx. So this is equal to e to the power of 2x. Okay, now the solution is y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor, okay, and then dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is e power 2x, okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor. Q will be equal to fx. If is equal to e power 2x, okay, and then dx plus c. Now follow carefully. I'm going to divide by e to the power of 2x. So this becomes y is equal to e power minus 2x, okay, and integration of fx e to the power of 2x dx, okay, plus c into e to the power of minus 2x. Okay, this y is same as y of x. It's already mentioned here. Y is same as y of x is equal to e to the power of minus 2x. Okay, what I'll do is I'm going to take limit as 0 to x. This will be equal to fx e to the power of 2x dx plus c into e to the power of minus t. You'll ask me, why did you take 0 to integral 0 to x? Here the boundary values are given, right? Belongs to 0 and 1, 1, 0 otherwise. So I'm just fixing the boundary values. Now it is given in the question that when x is 0, y is 0. That is y of 0 is equal to 0. So if I substitute here, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So obviously 0 is equal to c. C is equal to 0. Because here lower limit, upper limit will be 0. Integration will be 0. Okay, substitute back in equation 1. You get y of x is equal to e to the power of minus 2x integral 0 to x. Okay, so this will be equal to fx. This is 0 to x. Okay, this is integral 0 to x. This will be equal to fx, okay, e to the power of 2x dx. Okay, plus c will be 0. Okay, now I'm supposed to find out what is y of 3 by 2. Okay, see the question. I'm supposed to find out y of 3 by 2. Y of 3 by 2 can be written as e to the power of minus 2 into 3 by 2. Okay, and then integration 0 to 3 by 2. This fx, this inside integral, you cannot do anything for that. In e to the power of 2x dx. Now what I'll do is, this will cancel. Y of 3 by 2 is equal to e to the power of minus 3. Okay, 0 to 3 by 2 can be written as 0 to 1. This will be equal to fx e to the power of 2 dx. 0 to 1, and then I should write 1 to 3 by 2. 1 to 3 by 2, this is equal to fx e power 2x dx. Now let us use that question, what is given. e to the power of minus 3 is 1 by e cube. Okay, this is 0 to 1. It's already mentioned between 0 and 1 fx is 1. So this is fx is 1, you get only e power 2x. Okay, now between 1 and 3 by 2. Between 1 and 3 by 2 fx is 0. So integration of 0 is 0. Here it is mentioned between, otherwise it is 0. Okay, now this equal to 1 by e cube. E to the power of 2x is e power 2x by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. So this is 1 by 2 e cube. Okay, upper limit is 1, that is e square, lower limit e power 0 is 1. So e square minus 1 divided by 2e cube. Answer is option A. Very good question, guys. Okay, let's move to the next question. I can write this as x square 2xy into dy is equal to, if I shift on the right side, it is minus x square minus of x square minus y square into dx. I can write dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square divided by 2xy. Okay, so this is homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. From this, v plus x into dv by dx, okay, is equal to y is equal to vx, right? So this is v square x square minus x square divided by 2x, y is equal to vx. So v plus x into dv by dx, okay, is equal to, take v square common, you will get x square minus 1. Sorry, take x square common, you will get v square minus 1. V square minus 1 divided by 2v. Okay, now if I separate them, x into dv by dx is equal to, okay, v square minus 1 upon 2v. Shift here, it will be minus v. So x into dv by dx is equal to, if you cross multiply, v square minus 1 minus 2v square divided by 2v. X into dv by dx is equal to, take minus common, it will be v square plus 1 divided by 2v. Okay, if I just skip one step, guys, actually you get minus v square minus 1. So 2v divided by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx upon x. Now if I integrate, you get 2v divided by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus integration dx by x plus c. You differentiate denominator, you get numerator, you get this as log of v square plus 1. Okay, minus you shift on the left side, it will be plus. Integration of 1 by x is log x is equal to c can be written as log c. Log m plus log n is log m into n. So v is equal to y square y by x, v is y by x plus 1. Okay, this is log m plus log n is log m into n. So this can be written as plus 1. Okay, this is plus 1 into x is equal to log c. So this is equal to log of, if I cross multiply, this can be written as y square plus x square divided by x square into x is equal to log c. This will cancel. If I equate, you get y square plus x square divided by x is equal to c. Okay, that is x square plus y square is equal to cx. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. It is given the question passes through the point 1, 1. That is, you put x as 1, y equal to 1. So you get this as c equal to 2. So I get x square plus y square is equal to 2x. That is x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, so that is x square minus 2x. I'm going to add 1, subtract 1 plus y square is equal to 0. From this I can write x minus 1 the whole square plus y square is equal to 1. So it's a circle with radius 1. It's a circle with radius 1. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, watch and share my video. Thank you, guys.